Hey YouTube, how's it going? All right, so I was in the market for a pizza oven, and a good pizza oven, I think the Unicode 16, those are like $500. I don't know if I was really wanting to spend that right now, not to mention it's like 6 to 8 weeks to get it. So I was at Costco the other day and I saw this grill, which I needed a grill as well, because if you look around, got the flat top, the smoker, no grill. So I was like, I got this grill, I brought it home. And come here, let me show you something. Fired it up because you have to burn off the residual. That thing's at 700 degrees. So I was thinking, well, if it gets that hot, maybe it could be a pizza oven. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a pizza and put it in there and see how it does. So stand by. Okay, so now we're gonna make the pizza. Come around here, I'll show you what we have. So this is 16 ounces of dough. That's gonna make a 16-inch pizza. Here I have the sauce, and this is just crushed tomatoes, a little bit of salt, probably about a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, and then some oregano. And I'm using these tomatoes. Get these at Costco, good deal. Okay, so let's make this dough. And if you haven't done this before, well, that's Bobby. Let Bobby in. This is his pizza. So come and take a look here. So you just kind of get it in a circle. And then just start to stretch. And just a little, you're not putting much stretch on it. Bobby, come on in, I'm making a video making your pizza. Oh, hey. Yeah. I'm making this for my next door neighbors. Right, so you can see pretty thin. And then I just put it on one of these. Purpose of this is so it doesn't burn the bottom, quite frankly, because that grill / pizza oven is pretty hot. You guys get to see how it's done now, right? You're like, I'm sure he's ordering takeout and telling us that he's doing it. All right, so about that much sauce goes right in the middle. And you just kind of draw a circle. You want to get it all the way out by the crust. That's that. And then here's just about 8 ounces of mozzarella. And the amazing thing about that barbecue that is now a pizza oven is that was $349, and I live in Oregon, so no sales tax. So kind of got 2 birds with 1 stone, if you will. So okay, that's pretty much it. Some pepperoni. You want pepperoni, right, Bobby? Yeah. And I like to get it sliced thin. Did I say how long it takes once I put it on there? 3.5 minutes, maybe 4. But yeah, it doesn't take long. And my recipe is, it's not Neapolitan, it's like a New York slice. So, cooking in New York, pizzas usually cook around 450, 475 in that range. But I'm doing this with an 800 degree, 750 degree oven. All right, next stop, back to the grill / pizza oven. So now we're back to the grill / pizza oven. And you'll notice I have one of those screens there too. And that's just, again, so that the bottom doesn't burn. We'll close the lid, start the timer for 3.5 minutes, and we'll be right back. Come on. There it is, 3.5 minutes. And that's like cooked perfectly. If you look underneath, not burnt. The perfect pizza. All right, let's go cut it. Let's go. All right, so look at the crust, perfectly brown. And again, let's look underneath. Perfect. That's how you want it. All right, let's cut this thing up. All right, let me get the box. And that's how you make a homemade pizza with the, I think that's a KitchenAide. Yeah, KitchenAide 2-burner barbecue/pizza oven. Just saved myself $500. Enjoy, take care.